again, yeah?
Dunstan.
Give me a minute.
Eastside Queen.
Hi guys, it's Naya. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another hair video. It's been a while. I actually recorded an updated life video, but procrastination got the best of me, so I haven't posted that yet. But anyway, let's talk about this wig. This wig is from Yolissa Hair. I recorded this video in August. My birthday was coming up, so this was definitely going to be my birthday hair, and was HD lace, 24 inches. You see the vibes, and I love that it comes with goodies, and I mostly love that it comes with a little bag inside because these boxes are bulky and I want to put my wig in a bag. So this is the wig, and you know, I'm just doing my regular inspection. 613. It's nice and curly. It's definitely giving Goldilocks, and the curls are giving. They're bouncing. They're giving exactly what they're supposed to give. So let's get into the construction. There's an elastic band there. It's not adjustable, so let's just keep that in mind. HD lace. Yo, it is transparent. Like, I had to literally pick up the lace to make sure it was there for real. But anyway, let's get into this install. So, you know, the forehead's out. There's no shame in my game. And I didn't do anything to this wig. It is fresh out the box. And y'all see, it's pretty much laid already. I can pluck it a little bit, but I really don't have to. Like, honestly, I could glue the wig down just as it is. I just wanted to see what this wig looked like with this pink hat that I got. I don't know why, but I wanted y'all to see it too. Oh, there goes some shedding just a little bit. And here's the hair bouncing. I kind of finger combed the curls out. And yeah, I'm actually gonna tone the knots because, you know, with a blonde wig you can't bleach the knots. So I'm gonna try to tone it. I actually saw this method on TikTok. You take some developer, you take some brown. Sorry y'all, I got some puppies, so y'all gonna hear that in the back. But you take some brown hair dye, and I put it on my skin just to make sure that it was my skin color. I don't know. I'm just doing what I saw on TikTok. So they took the developer, they mixed it. Theirs were brown. I don't know why mine is green. I added some more developer because I'm like, you know what, let me lighten this up a little bit. Maybe it's the undertone making it look that way. But it was still green. And I don't know if I wanted to put this on my wig because when I put black hair dye on my lace, it turns the hair green. And that is not cute. So I'm like, let me take a piece of lace and let me do a little test trial. Let me cut a piece of lace, dip it in there, leave it on, and see what would happen. So that's exactly what I did. I submerged it. I let it soak in this concoction, and I came back to it. And this is how it looks. And I don't know, y'all. I really don't see any difference. So with that being said, I decided to add in a different brand of brown. And I don't know if I added too much. I don't know. But you guys, the girls that I saw on TikTok, their concoction was brown. So I don't know why mine is green. So I'm like, all right, let me just add in some more hair dye and see if that works. So that's just what I'm doing here. I'm gonna let it sit again. And also I decided to dip in some of the hair because for some reason whenever I do the knots, it ends up getting on the hair. And being that this is a blonde wig, I don't want the lace and the hair to be two different colors. So I'm like, all right, in the event that it gets on the hair, let me see what that would look like. So I let it sit for some time. I want to say I let it sit for an hour. But I'm rinsing it off, and it was kind of hard for me to tell if it really looked different because it's wet, one, and I just couldn't tell. So, you know, I just decided to abandon that method. I'm gonna just put some makeup on it and call it a day. So I ended up going downstairs. Now I'm about to tone the hair. I'm covering the dishes because, you know, I don't want none of these chemicals and nothing on the dishes. I got this clear bucket, and I'm putting in my Shimmer Lights shampoo. You know, me and my girl, yeah, what's up? And I'm putting that in there and some dark brown just to kind of tone it just a little bit, some drops of that. And I'm gonna mix it in, dip the hair in, and call it a day. As I added in more water, there were too many suds on the top, so I kind of tried to pop those bubbles with a paper towel. I want to say it worked, but I don't know. I was mainly doing this to try to see what inside of the bucket looked like, to see if I added in enough brown. Eventually I decided to scoop it out. So yeah, you might have to do that. Here's me dipping in the wig, you know, up, down, round and round. Make sure you're opening the back. Make sure you're constantly moving the hair because you don't want it to be too purple in one area. You don't want it to be too yellow in an area. You just don't want it to be uneven. So just consistently dip it up and down, round and round. And this is how it looked. Yeah, I added in some more brown because I felt like it was too white. And I didn't want it to be too white. I wanted it to be like a honey brown-ish. Honey blonde, I mean. So I just added in a little bit more brown to the water and dipped it in and got the color that I wanted. This is how it looked after shampooing everything out. This is how it looks outside in the sun. Which, you know, like I said, this is my birthday hair. So I mainly wanted to see how it looked on my skin in the sunlight. And I feel like it looked perfect. This is how body wave hair looks wet. It just got a little wave to it. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to get a feel and I love it. I ended up flat ironing the hair. It looks kind of white here, but it's more yellowish, like how it looks here, like with a brownish undertone. I ended up flat ironing it just because, you know, I felt like it looks better that way. You see, we have enough parting space and I love that. We have some combs. We have a comb in the back, and we also have an adjustable, is it adjustable? Oh no. We also have just a little elastic band back here, and we have some adjustable straps. So right now I'm just showing you guys how the wig looks up against my skin. Again, I didn't do anything to the wig. Yeah, this is the pros of an HD lace. Is it basically meshes in with your skin. One of the cons is we're gonna get into that into another video, but anyway, use any makeup shade that is your shade and put it on the inside and outside of the wig very lightly. So you see the difference already. I can't bleach the knots, so this is what we're gonna have to do. You see, this side doesn't have any makeup and the other side does. Now it's time to install the wig, and I'm going to use some alcohol and a cotton pad to wipe off any excess of anything around my edges or wherever I'm going to place the glue. I'm going to fit the wig to my head just to make sure it's to my liking, and I'm going to hot comb every single hair strand back so that it doesn't get caught in any of the glue that I'm about to put on. So next I'm going to just get the hair out the way, just so that whenever I'm gluing it down, I don't want anything in my way, okay? I'm using this eyebrow razor that I got for $1 at the beauty supply store, and I'm cutting away at the lace. Some people like to cut a little bit more than this. I like to just start off with this, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to cut as close to the hairline as possible, just to make sure all that excess lace is off. And yes, I shaved my little mustache. I shaved my peach fuzz, okay? You have it too. Anyway, now it's time for the fun part. We just gonna glue down this wig using our Ghost Bond glue. I love Ghost Bond glue, okay? Some people have bad experiences with it. I actually love this glue, and it works for me. Like, I take it with me on vacation. I've been installing my wigs with Ghost Bond glue since I knew how to install a wig properly. So here we are, and I think it was kind of difficult for me to install this wig. I don't know what the problem was, but I basically install it by, I need to have my hair parted in the middle so that the sides are equal, so I know how much lace goes on what side. But sometimes it's a little bit difficult for me if the wig is shaped, if the wig's hairline is shaped a certain type of way, and I feel like today was one of those cases. So I definitely struggled a little bit, but it all came together in the end, as you will see. So you guys saw me do one side, and I think I did that side too close. I don't know, we're just gonna have to see what happens, because I know that I struggled when I was putting this wig on, or maybe I didn't actually, because now that I'm watching it, it looks like I'm doing a perfectly fine job. But let me know what y'all think. I don't know, maybe I'm a little delusional, because I could have sworn I struggled with this wig, but I guess I did, because y'all saw how easy that was. It was 1, 2, 3, and the wig is on. Elastic band is on also. So right now I'm just trying to figure out how I want to style it. I had it in the middle, as you saw, but I'm thinking if I should side part her. I really don't know. But you guys, this hair is so soft. It flat irons so well. I know this is actually body wave hair, but I love to see it straight. So anyway, we're going to take off this elastic band because it's been some time. And this is how we're looking. I'm just going to apply just a little bit more makeup, some that's closer to my skin tone. Oh, and I definitely added too much just then, because this is my first time doing this. I didn't not know how pigmented the makeup was. But this, ever since, you guys, today is, look, ever since I did this method, I've been using this makeup on my lace since that day because it matched so well with my skin tone. I never used to put makeup on my lace, and that's definitely a game changer. Like, now I understand how people get their wigs to look like scalp. It's definitely because of the makeup, because my lace used to be looking ashy and nobody was telling me anything, and I had to figure this out on my own. So if you don't know, now you know. You need to put some makeup on your lace, okay? But anyway, I guess I decided to go with a side part. And like I said, you guys, this was my birthday hair. And this was some good hair, okay? 613 hair is very hard to find some good 613 hair. And this was some good hair. You know, aside from 613, it's going to shed, okay? It's going to shed more than normal. But that is perfect. More than normal, like, compared to like a black wig, like a regular color wig, is gonna shed more than that one. But that is perfectly normal in the 613 world. So if you see that, just don't be alarmed. But this is the wig install, and it's finally glued down and done. The hair feels so silky and so smooth, so soft. I cannot wait to wear this for my birthday. Y'all see I'm brushing through it, and this hair has a very good density. So I am about to just curl this hair. And it's my first time curling my hair with this curling iron. I think it's like a 2-inch. I don't know. It's my first time using it. I've never curled my hair with a big barrel like this before. And I was definitely struggling, but I really wanted some big bouncy curls. So I'm like, all right, let me get this big barrel and see what it's giving. Y'all, why did this big barrel give me nothing? It gave me nothing. Or if it gave me something, it lasted for 2 seconds. I don't know if it was the hair. I don't know if it was a curling iron. Like, it looked so nice. I don't know if it was the fact that I just didn't pin the curls, y'all. I have no idea. But I was like, you know what? Let me just curl the rest of the hair and see what it's giving. So I kind of sped this pace up just so y'all don't have to watch me do it every single second. But yeah, I don't know. But the curls definitely... it didn't give what it was supposed to give, but that doesn't mean the hair wasn't good. This was still some good hair. Y'all see it. I think the barrel was just too big because the curls are not in the room with us, but that's okay because this hair is still 10 out of 10 to me.